Okay, so as the program almost completes, right, installing, you have to allow it to have access to the local host, or let's say all the local servers, the private network and the public network, in case if you want to use internet access sometimes, but this will be going doing it offline, so you just have to click where it says allow access. So now the installation has been completed, right? So you have to click where it says finish, and it will load up the address which will be able to access our WordPress, right? You have to click say access WordPress. That's the button which you need to click, so that will lead us to the WordPress slash w admin, so that we'll be able to access our dashboard within WordPress. So remember the password which you have set, right? You have to just remember and put it down. Then I'm going to put my username password, which you can remember is user 222, and we click on login. So this is the dashboard of your WordPress within Bitnami. So next, on the following video, we are going to try to build our first page using WordPress. So bye guys, cheers, bye for now, see you in the next video. If you really need to subscribe, click subscribe. You do support the channel.